Hello, how to solve this exponential problem? This is t power t and this equals 19. We are solving for the value of t that satisfies this equation. That means if you consider t equals 1, you will likely have 1 power 1. This gives you 1. If you consider t equals 2, you have 2 power 2 and this gives you 4. You consider t equals 3, you have 3 power 3 and this gives you 27. So what number will then give you 19? That is what we are looking for. This particular value here is less than 19. This is less than 19. But this is greater than 19. Meaning t power 3, when t is 3, is greater than 19. And when t is 2, is less than 19. So the range of values of t is 2 is less than t and t is less than 3. Having this in mind, we can proceed to solve because we cannot just be testing all day long. So let's solve this. We have t power t equals 19. We make use of natural log of t power t equals natural log of 19. If you have log a power b, this equals b times log a. So natural log of a power b will give you b times natural log of a. All right, that being done, what we are going to do next is to apply this identity right here. That means the t will come behind the natural log. We simply have t times natural log of t equals natural log of 19. So how can we solve this equation? We make use of the Lambert W function. And this function will help us to solve this equation. How are we going to make use of the Lambert W function? It is denoted with capital letter W. And the expression is a times e power a. If you have an expression like this, you apply the Lambert W function. That means what you are going to have is simply Lambert W function of a times e power a. This is what you use to represent the Lambert W function. The expression must be in this form before you can apply the Lambert W function. And once you apply it right here, you have a as the solution. So even if you have non-binary 2 times e power 2, you have the Lambert W function here. The result will be 2. So this is simply means what you have here must be what you have at the exponent before you can apply the Lambert W function. Now, having this in mind, we get back to this problem. For us to apply the Lambert W function here, we must ensure that this expression is in the form of this. So how do we achieve that? Let's just copy that out first. I have t times ln t equals ln 19. Now remember this, if I have e power ln x, this is just like writing x because this can't take care of this. So this t here, I can easily represent it using e power ln t because e can easily eliminate the ln and t will be left. So we need to do that so that we can transform this particular expression to what we have here so that we can apply the Lambert W function. So that means this equation becomes e power ln t times ln t equals ln 19. Now, like I said earlier on, if you consider the Lambert W function, it is always a times e power a before you can apply it. That means this will come first before e power ln t. So let's rearrange that. We have ln t times e power ln t, and this equals ln 19. And this particular point in time, we have ln t here, we have ln t here, and there is e. So I think it's pertinent for us to apply the Lambert W function right now. So I use capital letter W to apply it here. And since we have applied it here at the left-hand side of this equation, we need to also apply at the right-hand side of the equation. So you have Lambert W function of ln of 19. Now, like I said earlier, when you apply the Lambert W function here, you have one output, and that will be this. So you have ln t equals the Lambert W function of ln 19. Now, how do we solve for t? For us to solve for t, we need to eliminate this ln. How do we eliminate ln? By making use of e. I have e power ln t equals e power the Lambert W function of ln 19. So right now, this eliminates this. So what we are having is just t, and this equals e power the Lambert W function of ln 19. So what you are going to do is to quickly type in this into your calculator. You need to insert this into your calculator. This is simply, you have e raised to the power of the Lambert W function times ln 19. You need to type in this into your calculator. But the funny thing is that many calculators do not have this Lambert W function here. Rather, what they have is what we call the product log or product logarithm. This is what many calculators have. So this calculators that have this, that means instead of using the Lambert W function here, what you are going to type in there will simply be e raised to the power of, this is the symbol for raised to the power of e calculator, e raised to the power of product logarithm of ln 19. And once you type in this into your calculator, you have some decimal values, and that will give you the value of t that satisfies this equation. And when I did that, I have approximately 2.83023 into 5 decimal places. This was what I got. So remember, our question is t power t equals 19. Meaning that if you insert this particular value back into this, you have 2.83023 raised to the power of 2.83023. So this should give you an approximate value of 19. Kindly try this out and drop it on the comment box if you are going to have 19. So ladies and gentlemen, this is how you can make use of the Lambert W function and solve this exponential problem. Thank you and I love you. Goodbye.